You are trying to VLOOKUP data from a totally different Google Sheet, and it's not working. That's because you can't link files directly. You need a bridge. We are going to use the import range function to connect them right now. Step 1. Go to your current sheet and create a brand new blank tab. Let's call it Imported Data. Step 2. Go to the other file, the one with the data. Copy the entire URL from the browser bar at the top. Step 3. Go back to that blank tab. Type equals import range, open quotation mark. Paste the URL. Close the quotation mark. Add a comma. Step 4. Open quotes again. You need the tab name of that other file, an exclamation point, and the columns. It looks like this. Sheet 1, and then select columns needed. Close the quotes, close parentheses, and hit enter. You will see a reference error. This is normal. Hover over the cell. You will see a button that says Allow Access. Click it, and you're done. Now the data is inside your workbook. When you want to use VLOOKUP, when it asks for the range, just highlight the columns on this new Imported Data tab. Your files are now synced. If the original updates, this updates too.